I'm going to be talking about one of the biggest questions that is on the mind of every new YouTuber. This question is, how will I know if my YouTube channel will succeed? Every new YouTuber have thought about this question at some point. So in this video, I'll be giving you guys some signs or 6 signs that shows that your channel will likely succeed. Your channel is on the right track. So keep on watching. And please, before we begin, like and subscribe. Before we begin, I'd like to apologize in advance because you're going to be hearing a lot of noise in this video. Somebody's walking outside and I cannot do anything about it, so just please bear with me and watch the video. Thank you so much. The first sign to know if your YouTube channel will succeed is if you're consistent. If you like uploading videos maybe once a week or 3 times in a week, it doesn't matter. As long as you're consistently uploading your videos, your channel will likely succeed. The YouTube algorithm will recommend your channel and they will recognize your channel faster, and they will send your videos to people that want to watch your videos. So if you're consistent, it shows that your channel will likely succeed with time. Even if it does not happen quickly, it will definitely happen someday. So don't stop creating videos, just be creating your videos, and with time everything will fall in place. Next sign that shows that your channel will likely grow is when you engage with your audience. Even if your audience is small for now, it will still grow. And as long as you're replying comments, you're asking for feedback, you're commenting on channels that are within your niche, it shows that you want to build a community and you're going to eventually get that. And YouTube loves channels that have a good community, a place where people can come together and share their ideas. So keep on replying your comments and keep on engaging with your audience. Engage with them, host a live stream session, ask questions, engage with your audience. With time, you will build a community. And when you build a community, that means your channel has succeeded. So keep on doing it. Another sign that shows that your channel will likely succeed on YouTube is if you have a focused niche. Some human beings or some creators love to create different types of content, different types of niche. So the truth is, in YouTube, the channels that succeed are channels that tend to focus on a specific niche. So if you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to focus on a particular niche, and you need to focus on the niches that are relevant. Do you get? So, and when you focus on a particular niche, YouTube will easily recognize your channel and it will send your videos to the people that want to see your videos. So you don't have to confuse the YouTube algorithm when you're doing different content or when you're creating different videos. It will be difficult for YouTube to know what your channel is about. So my advice for you was to focus on a particular niche. When you do that, you're going to succeed. And if you're already doing that, that means you're on the right track. Another sign is when your content is improving over time. If you want to check how you've improved or how far you've gone, just watch your old videos and your new videos. You're going to see the difference. For me, if I watch my old videos, I'll just be embarrassed. But you just have to improve. You just have to improve your content. As you're improving, that means your channel will likely grow. So keep on creating and keep on improving. It's part of everything that makes you a creator. Another sign that shows that your channel will likely succeed is if your analytics is growing. So many creators or many new creators don't usually check their YouTube analytics. I don't know why. You have to keep on checking it. You have to start checking it if you're not. You have to know the number of subscribers you got from a particular video, the watch time you got, and your audience retention, and so much more. So if you notice some changes, positive changes in your analytics, that means your channel will likely succeed, no matter how small or no matter how slow it is. Even if it's one subscriber, even if it's just one subscriber, 1 minute watch time, it shows that people are watching your video, and it shows that you will still grow. You will likely grow. The worst is if nobody is watching your video and if you're not getting subscribers, then you're doing something wrong. So start checking your analytics. You're going to see all these things, your audience retention and all that. When you see all these things, you're going to improve yourself. You're going to know how you will improve your content. You will re-strategize your content and make the content that people want to see. So start checking your YouTube analytics if you want to be successful. And if you're checking it already and improving, you're on the right track. The last sign I'll be sharing with you is adaptability and learning. You need to understand that YouTube changes. YouTube changes every time. Just last week, I think they introduced 3-minute long shorts. Before, shorts were just 30 seconds or 60 seconds long, but now it's 3-minute long. So you need to be up to date with all the changes that YouTube have. All the successful channels today that we have today are usually flexible, and they are always up to date with YouTube changes. So you as a small channel, you need to start monitoring the YouTube analytics and the YouTube studio or whatever, to check, to know when things have started changing, to know how you're going to re-strategize and improve your content. So you need to start checking. You need to start checking YouTube. You need to be up to date with YouTube. So in case they change something, you'll be aware. If you improve your content based on feedback or analytics, that shows that you're on the right track to success. You're going to be successful no matter what. So thank you guys. These 6 signs that I just shared with you guys are a clear indicator that you are going to be successful on YouTube. Your channel will be successful on YouTube. So remember, success is not something that happens overnight. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes time. But the thing is, success is always sure as long as you're putting in the work. So just keep on creating your videos, keep on improving your content, and keep on doing things that make you happy on YouTube. Remember, pick the niche that you're happy with. Pick the niche that you're going to be able to do comfortably. When you're doing all these things, everything will be successful for you on YouTube. And again, I want to apologize for the background noise you're hearing in this video. Someone is walking outside and I cannot do anything about it. So just bear with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I know some of you have not subscribed. Help me by subscribing and make sure you like this video. And also check this video showing on your screen right now. It's very helpful. So just click on it and watch the video.